Hello, today we are going to make tissue paper flowers. They're going to look like this, and we're going to turn them into bows for presents. You can make them bigger if you have a bigger present. But today we're going to take 4 sheets of paper, tissue paper, and fold it in half. I'm going to make it approximately 4 inches. And apparently I don't have very sharp scissors. I'm going to turn it into a square. It doesn't have to be totally perfect because we're going to be doing some more trimming on it. We're going to fold it back and forth. Until you get to the end. Set it aside for a sec. We're going to kind of come and take some of this floral wire. Cut a piece off. Fold it in half. Find about the halfway point and do like a little bread twist on it. Like so. And we're going to take here and we're going to do like a half moon or circle. Try to get it to go to that side of the table. Okay. I'm going to open it all the way up. After I get them all spread out, I'm just going to take one at a time and pull it out. Move these scissors away. Sometimes they stick together. And you just keep pulling until you find a little piece that you can separate, like right there. Pull it up. Okay, do the same thing on the other side. Go ahead and fluff it up, and if you want it even fluffier, you can add more paper, or if you don't want it as fluffy, take a couple pieces out. I'm going to take a little bit of lavender and water, just a little essential oil and water. I would say this container I have about 6 drops of lavender oil, and give it a little spray so it smells nice. And let it dry. And then I would just come along and I would take my end and I'd bend it, cut it off right where it's starting to circle up. That way I can tuck it up like so it doesn't poke anybody. I take a piece of glue dot and stick it on the back and let it peel up. Sometimes you gotta grab it with your nail. Oh, they work really good. And even though it wadded up, it'll still stick on your present really nicely. If you wait till it dries a little bit, you may not get it all squished up like mine is. And there you go. A beautiful flower instead of a bow on your present. Hope you enjoyed this craft, and if you did, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, leave us a comment. Thank you, and have a great day.